Exercise 78, question number 4. Find the volume of this tube, this hollow tube. So what's the volume of the metal of this tube? So things to consider are that the dimensions are given in mixed units. So if we look at the length, it's given in meters, and if we look at the diameters, outer and inner, they're given in centimeters. So we need to either convert the length to centimeters or the diameters to meters. Looking at the solution, that's given in cubic centimeters, so let's convert all units to centimeters. So this equals 400 centimeters. So now where units are consistent, we can calculate the volume. There's two ways you can do this. One is to find the volume of the whole cylinder and then subtract the volume of the inner cylinder and do two completely separate calculations. However, using algebra, we can actually simplify things a little bit for ourselves. Let me show you how. So the volume of that we're after equals the volume of the cylinder as a whole, so the outer cylinder, minus the volume of the inner cylinder, effectively. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared L. So that will be the pi times the radius of the outer cylinder times the length minus pi times the radius of the inner cylinder squared times the length. Well, if you look at this, both pi and L are the same, so we can actually factorize and take that outside the bracket. So pi L r outer squared minus r inner squared. So now we can put the figures into that and do it in one calculation. Again, it's handy to do something like this, anything like this, if you can, in one hit on the calculator. So then we just put the figures in and we'll get the volume.